Hey guys, for today's video we are going to be creating bokeh backgrounds. If you're new here, my name is Sylvia. Please remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. So for today's video we're just going to be creating it on my iPad through Procreate, and you'll notice that I've done Christmas lights or bokeh or street lights effect background on my channel before, but that time I used Photoshop. So I'm gonna put it up on the right side. If I don't put it there, you're gonna find it at the end of the video as the next video you can watch, because I don't want you guys leaving this video. And I start by creating a black background, and you'll notice that with technology advancement it's so easy. So for this one I realized that there's a light brush for it, so then it's easy to do, and that's already the first design. So you can just see how we've progressed with technology and you're able to create faster as designers. And I usually love bokeh designs because they are fun background, like backdrops for your designs, like if you want to put text on top. So then I was just doing different colors, like this one is brown with yellow. And normally one of my tips I can give is you want to do a dark color on the background, and then with the top brush it's gonna be a lighter color, like green goes well with yellow. So then I was using yellow for the lighter color, and then I'm using the lighting effect to create the street lights from afar. And this can also be used like for plants or stuff like that with the camera lens effect. And yeah, so these are different bokeh backgrounds. I'm gonna let the music play and let you guys watch the different designs I created, and at the end of the video you're gonna just see a different display of the backgrounds that I created with this effect. Let me know which one is your favorite and whether you're gonna try it out. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So I just want to say thank you if you made it all the way through to the end of the video. And of course, I'm just showing you the different variations of the bouquet designs that I created. It would really be nice to use them for like Christmas backdrops and stuff like that. And of course, I finished off with my favorite design, which was this one on the screen right now. And I hope you guys remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.